In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF fillable in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever had a static PDF that you wished people could type into, this quick workflow will get you there using the built-in tools in Acrobat Pro. You'll get the best results if you're using the Pro version, since the Reader app doesn't include the form creation features. Have your PDF ready to go, and let's walk through the process together. First, make sure you are on All Tools. This is the central hub where Acrobat Pro groups every available feature. Depending on your version and window size, you'll find all tools either in the left sidebar or near the top of the interface. Clicking into All Tools is helpful because it exposes the complete list, not just the shortcuts you might see on the home screen. If your workspace looks different, don't worry. Adobe updates layouts from time to time, but the All Tools section is always where form features live. Next, click View More. By default, Acrobat shows a curated set of commonly used tools. View More expands that list so you can see everything related to forms and content. If your window is narrow, this option might appear as a small link or an expandable area. The idea is simply to reveal the full catalog so nothing is hidden out of sight. Taking a second to expand the list saves you from hunting around later. Now click Prepare a Form. In some versions it's labeled Prepare Form, but it's the same tool. This is the smart feature that analyzes your PDF and looks for places where form fields belong. It can detect text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, date fields, and more. If your PDF was scanned, Acrobat will run text recognition in the background so it can understand what's on the page. You're not changing the underlying document at this point. Acrobat is preparing an interactive layer that sits on top of your PDF. Finally, click Create Form. This confirms your choice and tells Acrobat to scan the pages and place interactive fields automatically. In a moment, you'll land in the Prepare Form workspace with fields suggested based on your layout. Clear labels, underlines, and boxes in your original PDF tend to improve detection, so designs with obvious form cues typically produce the best results. From here, you're set up to review what Acrobat generated, knowing you started in the right place and used the intended workflow. That's the full path to turn a static PDF into a fillable one using Acrobat Pro's built-in intelligence. Head to All Tools, expand with View More, open, prepare a form, and confirm with Create Form.